Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset on this 2005 Nissan Micra with a centre display there. All you need to do is just turn the ignition on, so you've got the lights on there, and we're just going to use the buttons on the display itself. So first of all, just press menu, click it twice, sorry, and then you can use the down arrow to scroll down, go down to maintenance, OK, and press OK on service, and it's flashing up due in 0 miles. So press and hold the OK button. Set distance to service, press OK again, doing 9,000. So that's reset the main service one. You can scroll down, that's disabled at the minute, but you can set your other two reminders if you want. But if you just now press menu and go back, turn the ignition off, back on, it should all be now reset. Flashing up now, but if you go into maintenance again, just check, yeah, it's flashing up 9,000 miles, so that's all reset now. That's all reset now, and all you have to do is just go back into the driver comp, just okay on that, and then you can go back to your normal display on there as well, and leave that back up. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.